Introducing the Segway Loomo, an extraordinary personal robot that merges cutting-edge technology with unmatched versatility. Imagine a scooter that not only balances itself, but also transforms into a robotic companion. With a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and a range of up to 22 miles, it's a fantastic mode of transportation. Loomo's intelligence shines through its use of Intel RealSense technology, enabling advanced computer vision, voice and gesture controls, and an emotion engine that brings it to life with lively expressions. Whether it's capturing photos and videos, delivering items, or following you around with precision, Loomo handles it all with ease. It even features IPX4 splash protection, making it durable in various conditions. Plus, with over-the-air updates and an Android SDK, Loomo continuously evolves, ensuring it remains at the pinnacle of personal transportation and robotics. Meet the Blizwheel electric roller skates, a revolutionary blend of classic roller skates and modern electric vehicles. These innovative e-skates are ultra-lightweight, making them easy to carry in a backpack or by hand. Transition seamlessly between walking and skating by attaching these devices to your regular sneakers, and watch a motorized wheel with a solid rubber tread unfold from each foot platform. Choose from 3 distinct models, including the top-tier Blizwheel Pro, which reaches speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and offers a range of 15 kilometers on a single charge. Control your speed wirelessly using a Bluetooth handheld remote or finger control, and keep track of your distance, current speed, maximum speed, and battery life on the intuitive controller. Introducing the Kuberg Ranger, the ultimate electric dirt bike scooter designed for both teens and adults to conquer rugged terrains with ease. This unique ride combines power, stability, and versatility, featuring a 14-kilowatt motor and a low center of gravity for enhanced stability on any surface. With an impressive range of up to 60 miles in environment mode and 19 miles at full speed, the Ranger offers a truly customizable experience with options like a reclining pneumatic seat and a trailer. Its exclusive controller, one-of-a-kind battery, and proprietary motor technology deliver instant torque and a silent ride, making every journey smooth and exhilarating. Whether you're seeking adventure, a leisurely cruise, or a dependable mode of transport, the Kuberg Ranger adapts to your needs with its lightweight, sturdy build and endless attachment possibilities. Obarter D5 Scooter, the epitome of efficient and eco-friendly urban transportation. This high-performance electric scooter boasts dual 2500-watt motors and a detachable 48-volt 35Ah battery, propelling you to speeds of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour with a remarkable range of 120 kilometers. Designed for ultimate stability and comfort, the D5 features front and rear hydraulic suspension and 12-inch vacuum tires. Safety is paramount with its dual oil brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. The robust frame supports up to 150 kilo GURM, making it suitable for various riders. Monitor your ride in real time with the digital LCD panel, displaying speed, distance, power, and gear position. Plus, its foldable body makes the Obarter D5 incredibly convenient to transport and store. Embrace the future of urban commuting with the Obarter D5 Scooter. Segway SE3 Patroller, the latest addition to Segway's renowned PT Patroller series, designed to deliver a commanding security presence in demanding environments. Ideal for missions that require frequent mounting and dismounting, the SE3 Patroller boasts exceptional reliability with top-notch materials and nearly limitless range thanks to its Charge Anywhere technology. Its independent rear-wheel drive ensures superior performance on rough terrain, while the high-intensity LED headlamp and 360-degree wheel and warning lights enable effective day or night patrols. With ample storage, including a lockable glove box and built-in side compartments. It's equipped to carry all essential gear. Customizable with your company's or department's emblem, the SE3 Patroller combines durability, adaptability, and eco-friendliness, making it an imposing presence whether ridden or parked. Elevate your security operations with the unmatched versatility of the Segway SE3 Patroller. Introducing the Toyota FV2 Concept, a groundbreaking vehicle that redefines the relationship between humans and machines. More robot than car, the FV2 is controlled by the driver's body motions, seamlessly integrating direction, speed, and braking with natural movement. Offering the flexibility to sit or stand while driving, its transparent canopy doubles as a full-height windshield with a large augmented reality screen. The exterior features a high-resolution display reflecting the driver's emotions, fostering a profound psychological and physiological bond. Inspired by the Toyota Heart Project, the FV2's innovative design includes 4 wheels in a diamond configuration, allowing for motorcycle-like tilting in corners. This futuristic concept car exemplifies Toyota's fun-to-drive philosophy, delivering an unparalleled driving experience that is both intuitive and exhilarating. Blizwheel E-Scooter, a revolutionary electric scooter that transforms urban mobility with its compact, quick, and portable design. Weighing 70% less than typical electric scooters, the Blizwheel is incredibly easy to transport, fitting conveniently into a backpack or even a desk drawer. Despite its small size, it offers the same height clearance as larger scooters, ensuring smooth and efficient navigation through city streets. Its specialized polyurethane suspension guarantees a comfortable ride, while dual motors provide impressive speed and acceleration. Fully foldable for easy carrying or half foldable for towing, this e-scooter is designed for ultimate convenience. Equipped with front and rear LED lights and fully operational turn signals, the Blizwheel E-Scooter ensures both safety and style on the go. Introducing the Segway Villain SX10, a powerhouse sport side-by-side designed for an exhilarating off-road adventure. With its sleek, aggressive stance, this vehicle combines aesthetic appeal with functional aerodynamics. Under the hood, the Villain SX10 features a robust 1000cc 4-stroke parallel twin-cylinder DOHC engine that delivers an impressive 105 horsepower. Paired with an automatic CVT transmission, it ensures smooth and responsive handling across diverse terrains. The high-performance suspension system includes a dual A-arm with stabilizer bar in the front and a multi-link trailing arm with stabilizer bar in the rear, providing up to 16 inches of travel in the front and 18 inches in the rear for superior comfort over rugged landscapes. Priced starting $16,299, the Segway Villain SX10 offers exceptional performance and thrill for off-road enthusiasts. E-FOLDi Lite, a groundbreaking mobility scooter renowned for its ultra-lightweight and compact design. Weighing in at just 33 lbs without the battery, it's one of the lightest mobility scooters in the world, yet it robustly supports up to 265 lbs. Constructed with a durable magnesium alloy frame, the E-FOLDi Lite ensures both strength and stability. Its ingenious folding mechanism allows it to be folded and unfolded in seconds, making it perfect for trips in compact cars or public transportation. The scooter's portability is matched by its comfort, featuring pneumatic tires, a low center of gravity, and a 4-point floating seat suspension for a smooth and pleasant ride. Revolutionizing personal mobility, the E-FOLDi Lite is the ideal companion for those seeking freedom and convenience on the go. ROLLERMAN Electric Rollerblade Suit by Jeannie Blondo, a truly unique invention that revolutionizes personal mobility. This full-body armor features 32 strategically placed wheels on the hands, feet, knees, torso, arms, and back, allowing the wearer to roll on any surface of their body, particularly useful for navigating downhill at high speeds. Conceived as Blondeau's final graduation project at an industrial design school in Paris in 1994, the suit was born out of a desire to enable the human body to move freely in any situation. Even after graduating, Blondeau pursued her vision, and today, these suits are still being manufactured, with each outfit taking approximately 2 months to mold. Embracing the spirit of buggy rollin', this innovative suit opens up endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. Revy Kids Electric Bike, the perfect ride for young adventurers. Weighing only 9 kg for the 12-inch and 11 kg for the 16-inch versions, this lightweight electric bike is sure to be a hit. What sets it apart is its unique freewheel mechanism, allowing it to function like a traditional balance bike, ideal for children learning to balance. With hybrid rubber air-filled tires, it effortlessly traverses various terrains, reaching speeds from 8 mph to 12 mph. Battery life varies based on speed, riders, and terrain, with a detachable battery for easy swapping in just a minute. Perfect for kids above the age of 2, this eco-friendly option is enjoyable, silent, and offers a fantastic way to learn balance and throttle control. The Revy Kids electric bike is more than just a bike, it's an adventure waiting to happen.